Bicycles are considered vehicles under traffic laws in Texas. Cyclists and motorists frequently share roadways. Sharing the road safely is particularly challenging at intersections and driveways. Cyclists and motorists must each do their part to make roadways as safe as possible. Cyclists, when crossing or turning at an intersection, stop at all stop signs and red lights. Watch for and yield to pedestrians. Motorists, when meeting cyclists at intersections, follow the right-of-way rules, just as you would if meeting another motor vehicle. Cyclists use hand signals to indicate that you are turning right. Stop if you have a stop sign or red light. Check for traffic and pedestrians before making your turn. If there isn't a bike lane at the intersection, position yourself in the middle of the right lane or right turn lane to start your turn, where you will be more visible to motorists behind you. Motorists make a right turn from the right curb or roadway edge. If you need to enter or cross a bike lane to turn right, watch for and yield to cyclists who are in the bike lane next to you. Cyclists, if you are traveling behind a motorist who is making a right turn, you may signal and pass the motorists on the left. Cyclists who are turning left at an intersection may choose to move from the right edge of the road to the left turn lane. Check over your shoulder, signal, and move into the center of the lane. If there are two left turn lanes, use the second lane from the left. Motorists, be alert for cyclists who are turning left in front or beside you. Cyclists, if you are traveling straight through an intersection, watch for oncoming motorists who are turning left. They may not see you. Cyclists may dismount and walk their bicycle across an intersection if they are uncomfortable riding across. Motorists, use caution when pulling out of a driveway and watch for cyclists who may be approaching on the roadway. Scan left, right, and left again before driving into the roadway. Cyclists, be alert as you approach a driveway in case a motorist does not see you. Please share the road.